Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Stang Tech here. Thank you for watching this video. Special thanks to the YouTube subscriber Richie Valentine for suggesting this nighttime video. So in this video you're going to see the ACANII black DRL smoked headlights assembly. So also in this video you'll see some headlights bulbs that I suggest, which you'll see the fog lights are from Auxbeam. They are 3 colors, they're switchbacks, and for the low beams they're Oxilam low beams, so they are fanless and I do recommend them. So just keep in mind these bulbs are purchased on a budget, so trying to keep the cost low and obtainable for everyone else. So you'll see in these clips here, I think this particular one, only has the headlights on. With the fog lights on, it actually just gives you more of the visibility right directly in front of you, but doesn't actually spread out further than that, which is actually a good thing, because you do want to see what's within 5 to 10 feet in front of you. But with the low beams, they actually aren't the brightest. They look very bright, but they're bright in terms of seeing what's really close to you. They do have a wide pattern to them, but with the projector lighting on them, they're actually pretty good, as you can see in these clips here. I've included a bunch of them so you can examine them to yourself. These clips from the last 2 minutes or so are from the dash cam, which I am gonna do a video on that as well. But you'll see that there is a nice coverage on the roads, as you can see. I mean, back to what I was saying, I'll take that back. They aren't as bright as say factory lights, I think, in my opinion, but they are bright enough for daily driving or streets without any lights. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Enjoy the rest of the clips. If you want the products, go ahead and feel free to click open the description box. You'll see all the links for all the products I've used in the description box below. Every time you use the link, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do get a little bit of a kickback when you use my links, so do appreciate that. I do want to make a comment about the projector quality, the lens in these headlights. They are very good quality, I would say up to par with OEM quality. There are some issues on the quality control of these. Some people are having water leakage in the lens, or they get cracked easily. I've owned these for about, I'd say, a couple months now. Didn't seem to have any issue with them. The DRL LEDs are very bright. I love them. I get a lot of compliments, and the smoked housing is really nice. But if you are planning to swap all these LEDs, there might be some issues, at least with the turn signals, which I'll make a separate video for that, with the hyper flashing issue. But if you just do the high beams and low beams to LEDs, you shouldn't have any issues. Install is straightforward as if you were to install an OEM headlight housing. But yeah guys, I really like these headlights assembly, along with the aftermarket bulbs that I bought for them. So keep in mind, these are specifically for the 2006 to 2009 model. So they do have that separating bracket with the color matching bracket on there. If you guys got any questions, concerns, just let me know. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you like this content, or if you want to suggest other content, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.